Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks on your headphones Moto Buds Plus. So let's starting. The first top trick that you have ANC mode and you can swap it by in the application or by touch buttons. Just press and hold it and you will make it. Next one, you have dual connection. I really like it, and this is really cool that these headphones have it. Next one, you have bass boost and you can enable it in here in equalizer, and also you have a game mode. So if you like to play in mobile games, you have this opportunity. And also you have a fit test. So it would I like to check, is it everything good or no. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.